Sa hapagkainan, si Marco naubusan ng pagkain.
Pag may natira ka na.
Kanila.
Kung naubusan si Marco, kapansin-pansin namang marami pang pagkain si Carmel. Habang naglilipit si Clifford at Miguel, may napansin.
Ang dami na sayang na egg.
Si Clifford may itinanong sa ilang kasama.
Bro, may tao bang like no-off kayo minsan? Do you have a person in mind? Yes or no?
Yes. Wala na.
Ako meron. Pero ano lang naman to like, I'm just
May flow,
gonna
may
be
konti
honest.
lang flaws.
Yeah. Ako, si... Hindi, ako naman bro si...
Tara.
Gabriel sa akin.
I get where you're coming from.
Diba? Kasi, no bro, like, there's so many like the little things she does,
Uy.
like medyo off bro. Like, kanina, she got so much food, bro. And then hindi lahat tayo, bro. Bro, ikaw.
Wala akong
hindi ka,
panaya, bro.
Yeah. And then, the worst part, bro, is that she didn't even finish her food. No, her plate was left in the kitchen. Ang dami pang kanin, ang dami pang ampalaya.
Yeah.
Wala, saan napunta, natapon, bro.
Oh,
Kaya bro, I was telling you, like, naawa talaga ako sa'yo kanina. Kasi wala akong ulam, bro.
kanin
And then
lang.
there are people who, like if there's a person that gets food tapos di pa kayang ubusin, bro, like that's... Yung kanina wala, I was washing the dishes. So,
Ang dami nga.
ang daming tira, bro. Sayang. Pwede pa sana yun mapunta sa walang ulam.
Gusto mo ka kanina, bro.
Bro, wala kang ulam, bro. Nung nagluluto ka ng 2 eggs, I thought that was for you, pero
Yeah.
you still gave it away, bro. Bro, I'm just like looking out for everyone.
Yes.
Like bro, that's the bare minimum na dapat lahat makakain ng ulam. Bare minimum yun, bro.